All right, it's time to bring out our birthday celebrants here. Uncle Manley, ladies and gentlemen, how about it? Yeah, okay, face the dancer. All right, so we're gonna have Uncle Manley. Uncle Manley, by the way, for those of you who aren't in the, usually around August, he does the MC for the, helps out with the Aloha Festival. One of the best MCs, ladies and gentlemen, Uncle Manley puts together those shows up there in the San Francisco area. So we're gonna teach Uncle Manley the basics of Tahitian. Okay, just a little hands out to your side. Okay, bend your knees a little bit, and Maddie a little bit more down there. We need to see a little bit more skin down there. All right. Oh, he brought the knee-high socks, ladies and gentlemen, and they're matching too. Aren't you glad? All right. All right, Uncle Manley, here we go. Okay, we're gonna teach you basics, okay? We're gonna pretend that there's imaginary fruits all around your hips. You're gonna bump those imaginary fruits to the sound of the drum. So there's an apple on the left side, bump that apple to the left at the sound of the drum. Ready? Ha! Good. Okay, let's bump it a little harder because it barely moves. Okay, right? Okay, bump the apple. Ready? Ha! Good job. All right, on the right side, you're going orange. Okay, bump the orange to the right. Ready? Ha! Good. Behind you are a pair of coconuts, or from what I've heard, the texture back there is like cantaloupes. Okay, you can bump the coconuts behind you. Ready? Ha! Good job. Okay, I hope you can go front because the next one, you have to be careful, there's children in the audience. It's called a passion fruit in front of you. It's what's called a lily koi. You're gonna bump that passion fruit. Ready? Ha! No! He still got him. Okay. Now we're gonna want fruit salad. To do that, you're gonna mix those fruits around in a circle. Alright, Uncle Manley, bump the coconuts to the sound of 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's do one review. I'll call out the fruits, you bump to that side. Ready? Apple, orange, coconut, lily koi, fruit salad. Very good. On the count of 3, bump the coconuts. 1, 2, 3. Good job. All right, now turn and face the audience. Okay, I think he's stuck in that position. Oh, he's good. Okay. Turn the audience. Okay, Uncle Man. like he's a surfer or something. Okay. All right, Uncle Manley. All right, hands out to your side. Okay, you can bump apple, orange, apple, orange, apple, orange. Very good. Apple. Oh. We can do this move. Can you bend the knees and go low? Oh, look at that! He's going lower. There you go. Okay, back up, back up. All right. If you guys give him more money, he'll go faster. How many knows he'll go faster? You guys got to put some more dollars out there. Or you want to make it rain? Feel free to do so. Go faster. Here we go. Apple, orange, apple, 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 apple. You get one wardrobe malfunction too. It's okay. He's wearing his shirt on. That's all right. All right. Thank you, Uncle Man. Thanks to Ha'a Hula for having us here. Maybe he can do one haka like that. But that means you got to take your shirt off, and that means that's a major health code violation. We're just working out for you, helping out you guys out. Don't want to lose your dinner, huh?